Azure Bastion is a fully managed service provided by Microsoft that enables secure RDP and SSH access to virtual machines without exposing them to the public internet. Azure Bastion is available in 4 SKUs: Developer, Basic, Standard and Premium. The Basic, Standard and Premium SKUs come with a fixed hourly cost. The Developer SKU is a cost-effective, zero-configuration tier that utilizes shared infrastructure. It is recommended for non-production environments such as development and testing workloads. In the last video, we learned how to deploy Azure Bastion using the standard tier. The link to that video is in the description. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Azure Bastion Developer SKU and how easy it is to use. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT WebCast. Azure Bastion Developer provides secure, browser-based connectivity to a virtual machine at no extra cost. It allows you to easily access your virtual machines through the Connect experience on the VM blade without needing extra features or having to manage Azure networking and subnet configurations. When you connect, Bastion Developer automatically deploys to your virtual network using a shared pool architecture. Since the Bastion Developer resource is not dedicated, its features are limited. You can upgrade to a specific SKU at any time if you need more advanced capabilities. Now let's also look at the limitations. It only supports a single active VM connection at a time. It doesn't support advanced features like VNet peering, session recording, or native client access. This feature is available in a limited number of regions. Note that Bastion Developer is currently available only in the following regions. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Azure account. In the search bar at the top of the portal, type Virtual Machines. Under Services, select Virtual Machines. In our test lab, I have already deployed a test virtual machine in the West US region where the developer SKU is available. Note that a public IP address is not associated with this test virtual machine. Also ensure that the virtual machine is in a running state. Select the VM name to open its properties page. Click on Connect and select Connect via Bastion. Please note that Bastion Basic and Standard deployments have now been moved to dedicated deployment options. At the top, you can see the name of the Bastion Developer SKU, which is TestVM02 VNet Bastion. Select the keyboard language. Enter the VM username and password. Then click Connect to deploy Bastion with the developer SKU. When you select Connect, Bastion Developer automatically deploys to your virtual network. Once Bastion is created, a new tab opens automatically and connects you to the VM via Bastion. Wait for the connection to be established successfully. After a few seconds, the desktop of your virtual machine will appear. Now, you don't need a public IP for your VM. You can dissociate it if it's not used elsewhere. Let's go back to the Azure portal. In the search bar at the top of the portal, type Bastion. Under Services, select Bastions. This is the Azure Bastion resource we have just deployed. Select the Bastion name to open its properties page. In the Overview tab, we can view its details. You can see information such as the Azure Bastion public DNS name and tier. Please note that the tier is configured as developer. Expand the settings menu and click on configuration. From here, you can upgrade Azure Bastion from the developer SKU to a different SKU. Note that downgrading is not possible. Go to networking. By default, public access is enabled for all networks. You can restrict it to specific IP addresses for Bastion-based connections. This is how you can set up and use the free Bastion Developer Tier. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Azure and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.